Alright, everybody, we're here with Alfred, Barracuda Marketing, with a box of Star Wars High Tech. Good luck. Coming from a sealed case. So remember all the boxes before we get started. Box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So go ahead and pick a number, Barracuda, between 1 and 12. 1 and 12. Box 8 goes with box number 8. So there's a link if anyone wants to grab a box of this before we head off. Good luck. Our first few cases flew off the shelf. Got a few cards off the back there. Alright, we got Sly Moore, Kit Fisto, Lando Calrissian, Tessic. We got a Captain Panica. I'm new to the franchise. Ooh, nice. 12 out of 50, R2-D2. That's a pretty nice one. 12 out of 50. Pretty nice. We got 13 out of 50, gold auto of Mon Mothma. Carolyn Blackiston. Auto, 13 out of 50. The Rebel Leader from Chandrila. Right there. And you got another numbered card. 72 out of 99. Oola. Oola. 72 out of 99. It's pretty solid there. Thank you, Alfred. Appreciate it. And thanks for watching on jaspyshobbyland.com.